Boy, when you in the landlord game, some of these tenants will leave your place looking like anything. But I mean, basically, you have to document everything. So I'm gonna show you what this house looked like after the tenant moved out. Look at that door. How does that even happen? I mean, you know, it's not that bad in comparison to some of the units, but it surely is not clean the way a unit should be left. Look, they left us some food for dinner. Look at all this. And y'all better be glad that the smell can't come through the camera. Look at this. What in the world? God, that smell terrible. And it won't even close. Look at this. So I'm supposed to wash the dishes too. Look at this. Look at this. It don't smell too good out here either. But, you know, by the time we get through with it, you'll never know. And it's like a red stain under this television set. Can you see that? Look at all this. I don't need any television sets, so I guess we just have to look at that. I'm supposed to wipe up behind you when you take a bath, huh? Whew. Woo, excuse me, y'all. All right. Let's see if they left any goodies in the garage. I guess I gotta finish their laundry too. All this carpet was beautiful when they got it. Matter of fact, we used to keep rugs on it. This bathroom was pristine. We never even used it when we lived here. It was a guest bath. What in the world is that? And that. Good. Wow. Gross. It's kind of heartbreaking because, like, this was my son's room from the time he was a baby until we moved. But these are the last couple of rooms here. And it's just a shame that all this nice carpet has to be replaced. Look at this. Goodness. And y'all know the red stains, and those are the hardest. I know they did not take, man, they took the surround sound stuff that we left behind. But oh well, this is what renters do. They even left a glass here on the floor. How do you get bleach stains way close to the wall like this? I don't know. But anyway, this is the kind of stuff you can expect when you're a landlord. Nobody takes care of your stuff the way you would. Anyway, let me know if y'all want to get in the rental game. We have the resources to get you the house, help you get it fixed up, and help you get it rented. Talk to y'all soon. See y'all soon. Bye.